Hello kiddos, let's learn numbers with all these colorful clays. So let's learn colors first. Purple color, blue color, brown color, green color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, red color, green color, white color. Yellow clay, green color, one plus one कितने होते हैं? Let's see. One red toy plus one yellow toy. How many toys? Two toys. So one plus one, two. Two. One plus one, two. One toy, we have two toys. So, two. One plus two कितने होते हैं? One toy plus we have two toys. How many toys in total? So we have three toys. One, two, three. So three is the answer. One plus two is equal to three. One toy plus two more toys. So we have one, two, three. Three toys. So answer is 3. Bye bye kiddos. Bye bye beautiful and smart kiddos. Like and subscribe.